WhatsApp is keep crashing. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can fix that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply hold on WhatsApp app. So we will simply hold on WhatsApp app. Here you guys will see app info. In some devices you guys will see 3 dots or 2 dots. So simply click on app info. Here you guys can see manage notification, storage usage, data usage. You simply click on storage usage. Here you guys can see clear data, clear cache, so simply click on clear cache. After that, try to open WhatsApp. If it's worked, that's okay. If doesn't, don't panic. Simply go to Wi-Fi, check your internet connection. You need to make sure that it's on. After that, check it. If it still doesn't work, the third thing you guys can do is simply hold on WhatsApp. After that, click on app info. Here you guys can see storage usage, so simply click on storage usage. Now you guys will see clear cache, clear data. So this time you guys will click on clear data. Once you guys click on clear data, after that simply go to Play Stores. So I will go to Play Store. Here you guys will search for WhatsApp. So I will search for WhatsApp. Now here you guys will see WhatsApp. So simply click on that. You guys will see update uninstalled. Simply click on update. So once you guys click on update, after that click on open and give your phone number and your WhatsApp will be start working. There's how you guys can fix that. Thanks for watching.